To customize watermark and add it to the photos taken with camera app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open camera. And then tap camera setting icon at the top left. Tap watermark. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When watermark feature is on, you can do some customization of it. Here you can choose which information you like to show on your watermark. You are given with the 3 options for this, where you can choose to enable one of them, some of them, or all of them. The first option is model name. Select this option to show your phone model name on your watermark. Also, you can select edit, erase the current caption, and type your own you like to show on your watermark, and then tap save button. Next, the second option is date. Select this option to show the date you took the photo on your watermark. Tap the date to change the format. The last option is time. Select this option to show the time you took the photos on your watermark. Tap the time to change the time format. As the example, we will select date and time and choose AM PM time format. The next setting, you can choose what kind of font style you like to use for your watermark. To do so, tap font and then select the desired font style. As the example, we will select Nota Serif. The last settings available in this menu is you can change the alignment of the watermark. To do so, scroll down the screen. In the alignment option, select the desired horizontal alignment. You can choose left, middle, or right. As the example, we will select right alignment and then select the desired vertical alignment. You can choose top or bottom. As the example, we will select top alignment. As a note, vertical alignment option will be available if you have updated your phone to Android 14. Now you can see how the watermark will look like on your photo by seeing the preview at the top of the screen. With the selected setting, you can see that the watermark is displaying the date and time you took the photo, written with the Nota Serif font style, and placed at the top right of the photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.